Whimsical Waterland. In the heart of Whimsical Waterland, there was a shimmering, gleaming lake named Lulu. All the creatures drank from Lulu, from the tiniest tadpole to the grandest giraffe. One day, Drip, a playful water droplet, noticed something alarming. Lulu was getting shallower. Trees whispered, birds chirped in concern, and fishes swam in distress. Tiny the turtle, always the thinker, said, "We're using too much water without giving Lulu time to refill." Drip wanted to help, so he went to Puddle Panda, the wisest in the land. Puddle Panda advised, "To save Lulu, you must learn not to waste." Drip spread the word. "Turn those taps tight, collect rainwater, fix leaky pipes." Soon, Whimsical Waterland buzzed with action. Birds sang reminders, frogs gave water-saving tips, and every child carried a bucket to catch raindrops. With everyone's effort, Lulu began to gleam even more. The water level rose, fish danced, and plants flourished. Drip, with a tear of joy, said, "By saving every drop, we've saved our dear Lulu." From that day, Whimsical Waterland became an example for all, proving that every drop counts, and together, big changes can happen.